Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in ways that are easy to understand. All right, let's get started. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to send a video over WhatsApp to a friend or a group. So go ahead, we're going to open up WhatsApp, and then I have a person selected that I'm going to share my video to already. In the bottom left, I'm going to click this plus icon. And then I'm going to, if I wanted to record a real-time video, I could click camera, and that's going to pull up my camera dialog. Or if I want to select a pre-recorded video, I'm going to click photo and video library. Then I'm going to find the video that I want, and I'm going to click on that video. And then you can see here that now I can preview my video if I press the play button, or I could press X to leave it. I could crop the video. I could add some stickers if I wanted to, or I could add some text, or I could even, edit the color of that text. And once I'm ready and happy with that video, I can go ahead and press send, and that's going to send the video to my selected person or group. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.